Hi, I'm Curt Frye, and in this video, I would like to show you how to change the color of sheet tabs in an Excel workbook. The sample file that I'm working with is called tabs, and you can download that from the link that I provide in the video description below. This is a fairly simple workbook. I have two worksheets, and they're named 2023 and 2024, each with sales data broken down by quarter. And you'll notice on the 2024 worksheet that I have a missing quarter. So the data is not complete and I need someone to go find the value because it's not there. So how can I indicate that? Well, I could do that with an email, but I can also do it within a workbook. To change the color of the tab of a worksheet, you can go to the worksheet tab and then right click it. In this case, I'll right click 2024. And then about 2/3 of the way down is tab color. And here you can select any of the theme colors or standard colors that are present in your office theme. In this case, I'll click red, red indicating usually that there is something wrong. So what I hope this will do is let one of my colleagues know that there is a problem on this worksheet and they need to look at it. I'll take a look back at 2023. And see that all the data is there. So I'll right click it, point to tab color, and I'll do green. And there it is. Also note that when a worksheet is not active, then the color becomes much more prominent. So 2024 went from kind of a highlight color in the background and also with a bit of a gradient from white to red. However, when I click away, it changes to a solid bright red, and also the text changes to white. So I have 2023 and 2024. If you want to remove tab color, for example, if someone goes in and fixes 2024, you can right click it, point to tab color, click no color, and you are back to just the standard white background with black lettering. I hope this tip is useful to you. If it is, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.